Is the inspector giving you trouble and things are not showing up? Let's take a look at that. Alright, we found us back in Unity once more, and in this short tutorial, we're going to be taking a look at some inspector troubles you might be having. So there's a couple of things that might happen in the inspector with custom scripts that you might be struggling with. First of all, we are just going to create a new script right here. I'm going to see the first thing. So this is going to be the inspector troubles script. There you go. And let's say we add something to it. So let's open the script and just add a few things. So for example, just in the start method, right? I just want to be like, you know what? Let's just log out some hello, it is I, inspector troubles. Right, so that's all I want to do, right? And if we go back over here, it's going to reload the script. We're going to just start it, and in the console, obviously we're going to see, wait, what is this? It's not, it doesn't output anything. Of course it doesn't output anything because we've forgotten to add it to our game object. So of course, the first thing, you have to add the script over here to your game object. And then if we now start it, you can see all of a sudden the debug here works. Awesome. Okay, going back to the script, let's get rid of the update method over here. We don't need that. And then let's say you have a private integer, right? So a private int, call it speed, something like that, right? And it's going to be something like 2. So the question here is, if we now take a look at Unity, right? This is not shown. Why is this the case? Well, because it is private. Only public fields are shown. Or if you add the serialized field attribute right here, then if you take another look, then it's going to reload. You can see now it's shown. So that is awesome. Right. Similarly, if we add a public one right here, right? So public float pressure, for example, let's say that's going to be something like 25F, right? Who knows, right? If we now were to go back and we take a look at this, all of a sudden, this is not shown. Why is this the case? Well, maybe this is another thing that you've done. You have not saved the script. You can take a look at this one. At the top here, there's a little star indicating that this file has not been saved. So you have to hit Control S to save it. And now it's also going to reload, and you can see, there we go. Now the field is also being shown in the inspector as well. And then another tip over here, if you were to change a value right here, for example, to 15, and let's say this to 55, and we were to save this, and we go back over here, you can see that the numbers here retain the previous value. You have to right click this particular component and hit reset to actually reset it to the actual thing that is specified inside of the script itself. So these are some issues you might run into with the inspector. And so that you have no more troubles finding free assets, you can take a look at this video right here. Hope to see you there. So yeah.